Hello everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. So, in today's video, I'm gonna share with you a lots of ideas of beautiful mermaid bridal dresses. These dresses are very high class um, dresses and all of these are in white mermaid with detachable skirts. I hope you will enjoy these mermaid style bridal dresses, so don't skip the video, watch till the end. So friends, if you are new at my channel and wanna see more ideas related to bridal dresses or bridal's mother dresses, then visit on my channel once. There I have shared lots of videos related to these ideas, and I hope you will like those ideas as well. You can check these dresses and playlist for back to back videos, bridal dresses or mother of the bride dresses in the playlist I have shared. So uh, today is related to bridal mermaid dresses, and if you like these dresses then hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel then subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell icon for my upcoming new videos. So friends, if you have any kind of demand related to any idea, any design, write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can, and also comment in the comment section related to today's video. So friends, this was my today's video is bridal mermaid dresses. Now let me say to take care. Bye bye.